Hello there, and today I'm here with a video about the Dawn Platinum Power Wash. Now this item is really super easy and convenient to use. I really like it. Um, Obviously I was looking for something just a little easier than grabbing the bottle, opening the top, or even just pouring it into a new thing. This is pretty easy, and it is refillable, so you don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is fill it up with water with maybe like a drop or two of Dawn dish soap, just regular Dawn dish soap. But so far I haven't run out. I've had it for about a month. It is getting close though. It's, as you can see, you can see how much is in there, and I am almost out. But there's still probably about a good couple washes in there, even without refilling it. It is a spray top, obviously, but the cool thing about it is that it foams. It foams when you spray it, so it's not just like a mist with a little, soap. It is a foam spray. It is really cool. I love it. This one is also the apple scent. They come in other scents, but the apple is actually really nice. It is a 16 fluid ounce bottle, and let me just show you how it sprays. See, as you can see, it is a foam spray right there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.